Hello dear friends, this is the Apple Fruit channel. In this video I want to show and tell you how to get free subscribers in TikTok. These will be real subscribers and you will be able to increase their number in a couple of minutes. How to do it? To do this we just go into TikTok. After that you remember your profile name. After that go to any browser and find this site. It is called tikfunds.bam.app.com. Just write the name in your search. After that you go here and write the name of our account. We click next and after that we wait a couple of seconds. The page loads. It's absolutely free. You just click on this button. You earn stars and for these stars you can get your subscribers in TikTok for free. It's just a mutual PR. You click on +1. You open this page, sign up and go back to the site. There is a check in progress. Now we have a new asterisk. Continue to do this until you get bored. After we've earned our stars, we click here and that's where we choose the item we want. I click here. That's it. Now we wait a couple of minutes and all the subscribers will be added to our account. In a couple of minutes there are more subscribers. That's an easy way to do it. That was the Apple Fruit channel. Like it and subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.